All right, everyone. This is Athens-Clarke County Mayor Kelly Girtz coming to you on Monday, 4/20. I'm going to let that stand on its own. I was remembering this weekend going to visit my grandparents in Hinckley, Minnesota when I was a kid. And on one of those trips, I was in the upstairs of the 100-year-old barn on their property, and the floor was soft, and I fell through the floor onto the hay below. And I know that's how a lot of you are feeling right now, like you've just fallen through the floor, but you don't know what's below. So unlike hay, it's a mystery to you. I want to let you know that we are going to continue to support you, and we are all going to continue to support each other to make sure that the landing is as soft as it possibly can be, even given the challenging times that we have. We've received some federal funds, and as I've noted previously, we've allocated at least $3 million of local funds to provide some support. So I want to come to you today and talk to you a little bit about some of those support measures, and then some communication opportunities that we have to make sure that we're doing the best job we possibly can. The first thing I want to mention is a great partnership that we've been able to help put together with the Augusta University UGA Medical Partnership that you know is housed on Prince Avenue on the former Navy School campus site. They have a mobile van that together with us, with GEMA, and with the Northeast Health District, we are employing to make sure that we can get COVID-19 testing to those individuals who may not be able to access one of the traditional testing sites because they might not have transportation themselves. So if you're in that situation and you need to be tested, or if you know somebody in that situation who needs mobile testing brought to them, you can call 706-308-4092, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Now, if you do have transportation and you can avail yourself of that transportation to get to testing and you need testing, please continue to call the Northeast Georgia Health District at 706-340-0996. I also want to mention to you a new series that we're going to be bringing to you beginning this Wednesday. You can see I'm sitting here in an empty City Hall chamber. I miss having all of you here, but we're going to be able to come together digitally beginning Wednesday at 6 o'clock for an open house series of response conversations because we know that you have a lot of questions and we want to be able to provide as much support and information as we possibly can. Each of these conversations, Wednesdays at 6, are going to be around a different subtopic. Beginning this Wednesday, we're just going to be providing a general overview of the Athens-Clarke County response to the COVID epidemic. And so with me will be Blaine Williams, County Manager, and J.W. Thaxton, who is our Emergency Manager. In future shows, again Wednesday at 6, there will be focus on small business needs, focus on broad community stabilization needs, focus on family needs, and other things. And you'll be able to view these on our YouTube channel at ACCGov.com and Charter Channel 180. For the questions and comments that you might have associated with these programs, please visit the ACCGov.com/mayor site, and there will be a form there for you to provide any comment or ask any questions. What we anticipate is 20 or 30 minutes of presentation and somewhere around a half hour of question and answer opportunity at each one of these programs that we're going to be bringing to you. So I'm looking forward to that time and conversation with you, even if it can't be here in the room together. And finally, I want to let everybody know that as part of our agenda setting session tomorrow, the 21st of April at 6 p.m., we have a special called session because we're going to be creating a joint development authority with the City of Winterville so we can provide some small business support. So be looking for that on the agenda section of our website. As always, you guys are doing such a great job. I appreciate all your work distancing. Please continue to wear your masks in public when you're interacting with others. This protects not only you, but the people around you. I'm thinking about you every day and every night, and I look forward to seeing you later this week. God bless.